Need to share your internet from your Windows 11 PC? Here's a quick guide to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot in just a few steps. First, right-click the Start button and select Settings. Next, go to Network and Internet from the left menu. Then click on Mobile Hotspot. Under Share My Internet Connection From, choose the internet connection you want to share. Usually, it's either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You can share over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Keep in mind, your PC needs a Wi-Fi adapter that supports hotspot functionality for this to work. Click Edit to set your network name and password, and make sure to choose a strong password for security. Once done, click Save. Finally, turn the mobile hotspot switch on. Now, you can connect your phone, tablet, or another PC to your new Wi-Fi network using the password you set. And that's it. Your Windows 11 PC is now Wi-Fi hotspot. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides.